Hi guys, this is Diana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, ang gagawin po natin ngayon is how to install Kinemaster without watermark in Android phone. So, Ma!
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. Hold up.
Hi guys, this is Diana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, ang gagawin po natin is how to install Kinemaster without watermark in Android phone. So, ayun guys, sobrang nakakatulong to sa mga nagsisimula pa lang na YouTuber, vloggers na katulad ko. And pack na pack to sa mga yun nga, sa mga nag-i-start pa lang kasi nga, free po siya, wala siyang bayad. And hindi pa natin afford yung mga ganong mga may bayad na app. So, kung bago ka pa lang dito, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. At kung interesado ka dito, just please keep on watching. So, yun guys, punta tayo sa Kinemaster. Okay lang natin. And then allow. Wait lang natin ng load. Ayan. Start. And then next natin yan. Select na untitled one. Ayan guys. So, as you can see guys, sa taas, yung watermark na Kinemaster. Ayan siya guys. So, samahan niyo ako guys kung paano ko ginagawa para mawala yung watermark sa taas. And then, ayan. Click natin yan. And then, export. Skip lang natin yan. And then, ayan. As you can see guys, nag-export na po. Wait lang natin matapos. And then, yan. Install ko po yung Kinemaster. Ayan guys. May ads pa nga. Wait lang natin matapos guys. So, ayan guys. Back natin and then uninstall the Kinemaster. Then go to the Google and then search na lang po yung AC Market. Mali pa ng time. Ayan guys. AC Market and then select natin yung nasa unahan. And then, as you can see guys, dalawa po yung ano dito for Android and iPhone. So, select nyo lang po yung Android. And then, kahit alin po dyan sa dalawa, pwede nyo pong i-download, i-click. So, ang download ko is yung link 1. Ayan. Nagda-download na siya guys. And then, ayan. Open natin. And then, install. Install anyway natin guys. Ayan. Para magtuloy-tuloy yung pag-i-install niya. And then, open. Ayan guys. Open natin yan. Okay lang natin guys. Allow. And then, oops, may ads na naman. And then, search Kinemaster. Ayan guys, yung video editor nasa unahan. Then, click mo yun yung 3 dot and then download. Ayan guys, as you can see guys, nag-download na po siya. And wait lang po natin matapos. Ayan siya guys. Back natin muna. And then, ayan. Lapit na. Ayan. Oops, napindot pa. Ayan guys, tingnan natin sa app. So, tapos na mag-download, install natin in setting. Allow from the source. And then, accept nyo lang yan guys. And then, back na po ulit. And then, install. Install nyo lang yan guys. And then, wala tong virus guys. Safe na safe po siyang gamitin. Para sa mga Android user. Yan siya guys, nag-install na po. And then, open natin. Ayan, as you can see guys, okay na po. And then, click edit. And as you can see guys, sa taas, wala na siyang watermark na Kinemaster. So, okay na po tayo dyan. And ayan siya guys. Ayan siya guys. And sobrang laking tulong po nito sa mga new vlogger. And then export na natin guys. Ayan guys. So ayun guys. Tapos na po ang tutorial natin. So ayun guys, that's it. And hope na nagustuhan nyo to and nakatulong din sa inyo tong video na to. So, hope you like this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys!